Hello everyone! So about nearly 2 hours ago now, my Airtag arrived. Launch day. This is the second time I've gone to my launch day. It's such a nice feeling. Anyways, Airtag. I have only an hour to record this, so that's why I'm speaking really fast. So, the Airtag launched, what was it, a week, 2 weeks ago? No, a week or 2 weeks ago, whenever the event was. I think it was only a week and a bit ago. And I ordered one on pre-order day, and I only got one. I got the one pack. I didn't get any keyrings or anything for it, so I just wanted to see what it was first. So it was like first, before I got a keyring and committed to the whole thing. So, here it is. I am going to open it now. With this knife. So, I can't remember any of the things about it, apart from obviously that it's oh my god, a whole ass huge box for that. Oh, that is such a waste of cardboard. But anyway, that is tiny. Yeah. So, there's the box. Very tiny. As I was saying, this is tiny. Look at this box. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, I just got it because, well, I do tend to lose things a lot. I tend to lose things in the house, so forget about going out and about. I do tend to lose things in the house a lot. Like my phone, my laptop, my keys, my car, everything. So, this, if I decide I'm keeping it and I get the keyring, I'll probably put it on the keys in my car. But for now, I'm just going to put it in like my laptop bag or whatever, just to test it out and see what it's like. But let's get on with the rest of it. So, just pull. Well, that didn't go as smooth as I wanted it to. That's how it's packaged. There it is. It is literally, like the rumor said, the size of a bottle cap. How do I take this out? So, oh yeah. I got mine engraved with the poo emoji. You can thank Cousin for that, from Cousin Stan. He helped me pick it, and there's the Airtag. It is tiny. So it's tiny, look at that. Like that's it in the palm of my hand. This has a year-long battery life, which means that at the end of the year, or when the year time comes up, you replace the batteries. Yes. It is the only Apple product today that has replaceable batteries. So it lasts a full year and you just replace the battery when it's dead. Now as soon as I pull this tag out here, it turns on and then it stays on for the next year. So I have my phone here. Yeah, go away. So shiny, jeez. Oh wow, that's harder to put out than I thought. It should make a sound when you turn it on. Oh, I love that sound. Apple always seems to make their sounds just... There's just something about them that just sounds so nice. So now it's on. It's tracking now. And here's, again, the poop emoji. So, yeah. It's pretty glossy as you can see, so it's probably going to pick up scratches and fingerprints like no man's business. Oh, there we go. Connect, it popped up beside my phone already. So all I have to do is hit connect. I don't know yet. Yeah, I'll just custom name it. I'll custom name it to I don't know yet. Continue. Oh, you select an emoji to represent it. I did not know that. Okay, interesting. Oh, it automatically opens the emoji. Let's see, I'll just pick computer. I don't know yet. These stupid names on my stuff. So there's just telling you about it, precision finding, playing a sound, directions and maps, so like it shows you the directions and maps or whatever. Okay, let's play a sound, see what's like, how loud it is. Oh wow! That's loud. That is... Considering the fact you can't even see where the speakers are, that's pretty loud. Jeez. Well, you'll definitely get someone's attention with that. And then here's play sound, lost mode, notifications. So, oh, you can set notification for when it's found, and then find. So like it. Oh, yeah, okay, that. Oh, it's vibrating too. Nice. Oh, that's the play there. Nice. So it vibrates. Here, I found it because it's right there. But this usually, if I put this, I can put this. Oh look, it automatically as I'm moving around. Look how fast that's. That's pretty cool actually. That updates pretty fast, and it vibrates. Your phone vibrates. I've watched a few videos with this, and they never mention the fact that your phone vibrates. Well, I don't think they do. Mention the fact that your phone vibrates. Ah, it vibrates when you get close to it. Okay. So if I had it further away, it would have like arrows telling you where to go. But because I can't really do that right now, I can't show you that, but I'll show you that in the full review. But that's the AirTag unboxing for today. Hope you enjoyed that. And look out for more videos coming in the future. I swear I'll be posting more often. I swear I'll start actually posting more often now. Because I'll have to do the review for that. I have another a couple more videos. One that I'm still making, I've been making for the past few months. And then the review for this video, and then like the MacBook Pro unboxing, the 16-inch, and all those things. New things coming. Lots of things coming. Be on the lookout, please. I swear I will be uploading more regularly this time. I swear, I'm not lying. Tell me what you think about AirTags down below. And don't forget to follow my social media. The links for them will be in the description, Instagram and Twitter. And that's it. So, ciao tutti!